What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 3 and today's topic will be how to send PDF file as attachment using WhatsApp bot. So in the last tutorial, which was tutorial 2, in that video you have seen how to send image file as an attachment, or whenever you are getting some sort of message in your WhatsApp, how to reply to this message using one image file. We have seen that how to do that or how to achieve that automatically. In this tutorial we'll see how to respond to an incoming message as a PDF file, in the form of PDF file or whatever, like how to attach a PDF file using WhatsApp bot. So definitely I will be using Python, but I am just going to give you the very brief introduction about the code structure. So first of all, it will be a Twilio setup, widely used API for WhatsApp, then ngrok for local server, and we'll be using WhatsApp. Definitely we'll write one piece of Python code to send and generate and send PDF file in the response to an incoming message. Okay, so next thing we'll write like coding, but before doing the coding I'll again show you guys some sort of like prerequisite. So first of all, I think you've already installed ngrok. So there ngrok, you need to just set up your file protocol like this, and you need to set up your local host using port 5000, because our our Flask will be running on the localhost port 5000. But for the detail like steps, please watch out for the tutorial 1 and 2. Just go to our channel, find out for the WhatsApp automation playlist, and there the tutorial on 1 and 2 I have discussed everything in detail. So I'm not going to like configure this thing in this video, rather it doesn't make any sense. So it will actually extend the video time and duration. So it's already there in the playlist. You guys should watch that thing, and it is very simple, only 5 minutes job. Okay, so in this video I'll be going to talk about directly from the coding, and we'll see how to generate a PDF file and how to respond. Okay, so first thing first, let me open my ID. Okay, so as I told you, there are few prerequisites we need Flux. Okay, we need Flux, we need Twilio API you need to install. So you can install Flux and Twilio. Again, all these things are discussed in my last tutorial, which is tutorial 2 and 1. And apart from this, we also need report lab. Okay, so we need Flask, Twilio, and report lab. You guys can install this thing from pip install, and those are not familiar with Twilio things can just go ahead to the twilio.com, register, and there you will get something similar to this. I will explain this thing again, but for the detailed steps, please follow our tutorial 1 and tutorial 2. There you already discussed this thing, and again I just log into WhatsApp, so web.whatsapp.com. okay, so we'll use that. First thing first, this is tutorial 3. Okay, and what is the topic for this tutorial? How to send PDF file using WhatsApp bot. So I'll explain each and everything in detail while writing the code. So first thing, from Flask import, it will be in capital Flux, then we need to request. Okay, these two things are required. And from Twilio, we need twilio.yml messaging response import. We need this one. Okay, that's it. And also we need date time, we need to import, just because we need to send the date timing when we are going to respond. Okay, so next thing, we'll create the our application. So in Flux, we definitely give one name to your application. So how to do that, I think it's more or less clear to everyone. We are doing this for third time. Okay, like this. Okay, and after that we have to, this is the name of the app. Okay, and after that you need to give some sort of route to your app, bot.route. okay, there you have to define the path where you want to like git. So this is going to be like this, like our main is localhost, so where you want to actually host, so it will be something like slash. Okay, this slash, so like this slash and SMS. I like this. Okay, and what are the methods we are going to use? So probably in our case it will be get and post, so we'll write get and post method. Okay, so get is for reading or post is for like responding to some message. So definitely we need both, because whenever some incoming message coming, we need to like read that message using get method, and whenever we are going to write something to respond to that thing, so definitely we need post. So here we need both get and post. Again, all these things are already discussed in the last tutorial, but again, if someone is new to our channel, please go ahead and watch that part as well. Okay, so this is done. Then we need to write one function. So sorry, this caps, so it will be like def, so in like reply, or I think reply is fine, like this. Okay, and we'll define our thing now. Okay, so number, like this number means your WhatsApp number. So how to get that number, you all know, it will be from request dot form dot get, and inside that you have to define the from means the number, and you have to define the message or like msg text, and it is going to be like same. Okay, but it will be only the body will be here. So I will respond, so suppose I'll explain this thing why I need this thing. So what I'll do, I will send a message, and in the response I wanted to generate one PDF file with my message, should be written in that. So same thing in the last tutorial, but here we are writing the everything to a PDF file, and will respond. Okay, and after that what I'll do, I will just create one date time thing here. Okay, so date time will be date time dot date time is coming from here dot now, and we need to string format this thing dot strf, I believe str, why it is not coming, I'm not sure why. So probably we can keep it like this. It will be y, then m, then d, then like this, and then probably hour is like hour, then minute, then second, like this. And the actual text will be like this. Actual text will be like you sent this is the body, so msg text, then it will be like from number. So this is the text. So what I'll do, I'll just print this thing here. Okay, so that we'll understand that we're doing everything properly. So this is done, our coding part is done. So but it is not going to respond anything, rather it will be written something in the console. And after that we'll do if underscore underscore name equals to this underscore underscore main. Okay, then appbot dot run. So now it is going to run this thing, and will, if everything is fine, we will not get any error. So we'll do the remaining part as well. So let's run this thing. So here's something appbot dot text to positional argument, but 3 were given. Why this is like this? This is completely okay. I'm not sure why it is saying like this. Get is there, post is there, but why it is saying appbot dot route text 2 positional argument but 3 given? This is not clear to us. I'm not sure like this. Appbot, okay, I forgot. it is actually my mistake, so it's going to be methods. Okay, so sometimes it happens, don't worry. So it's running on this server. So now see why I did like this. So now this port is accessible, or this localhost is accessible from internet using this thing, and our application is running localhost / SMS like URL. So what I'll do, I will just take a copy paste of this thing, and I will go to my Twilio and click on the sandbox. So I have explained this thing in the tutorial part 1 and 2. You have to go to your sandbox, and there you have to change this thing. Okay, so just check, it is here, B0844. Just make sure everything is fine. Then y/SMS, because our application is going to run in the SMS this path. Okay, so and after that, what you have to do, you have to just, okay, it's already saved, so that is why it's not required. Now what will happen if I go to this box here? So let me here, so here this is the number. So let me come to here and WhatsApp. I need to configure this number first. So what I'll do, because the number is not set for a sandbox thing, so I need to set up the sandbox with this number. So this is the same number. We have to send this message to this number. Okay, see, it will respond with something. That sandbox is set, everything is set now. Okay, everything is now set. So now whatever I will write, it will be printed as a text, like you send, then message text, and then the number. Okay, everything will come here. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just type hi. So let's see in my here in my console something is coming or not. Yes, you sent hi from this, you sent, then there should be a this from WhatsApp. So I need to replace this thing. So what I'll do, I will replace num equals to num.place, and we will replace this thing. Okay, so like this, we'll replace everything with nothing. And at what time it send the message, so number, then we'll give one space at, or like this. Okay, and we'll give this one dt. Okay, so dt. So now let's run this thing. We'll stop everything and we'll run this thing again, and again we'll try to send the message. So it will be okay now. So see, you sent hi from this at this, but still after after message there should be a this thing. Why this is not okay? From this at, okay, so there should be like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so 22/11, today's date is February 11, so it is year, month, day 10:51, like this. Okay, and why we are getting this error? Because we are not responding to anything, we are just writing in the console. So just because we are not responding to the incoming message, and that is why it is throwing an error that did not return a response. So once we return the response, that time everything will move. So what we'll do, we'll create message equals to messaging response like this, and after that we'll create a response body, response underscore text. Okay, and there we will write msg dot message, and there we'll write your sent the message you sent is in the attached file. Okay, okay, and after that we'll write resp dot it's like some sort of media, because we want to attach something, so we'll give the URL of this thing. Okay, you understand my point? So we are just giving a tagline for the file, and after that what I will do, we'll give the text for like in the text it will be written like this. Okay, in the file actually our main objective is to generate a PDF file with this text, so in that it will be written like that, but here it will be like media, and inside that our URL will be there. Now the fun part, we need to create one PDF file. So how to do that? So for that we have already installed Report Lab, so we need to import those libraries like PDF gen, import from Report Lab, sorry it's not import, from Report Lab import PDF gen, import canvas, right? And after that from report. So if someone is new to our channel, doesn't know anything about PDF or reporting, guys, please watch out for our PDF tutorial. We have a very big tutorial on this. Okay, so definitely it will help you. So centimeter, and probably it's enough, I don't need much things. So what I'll do, I'll just create a file now. So PDF is going to be canvas, and after that we'll give a name. So this is going to be whatsapp.pdf. the PDF name will be this, and after that we will write something in the PDF. So pdf.draw string. So guys, I'll highly recommend you to watch our videos for these things, because we have already have very detailed tutorial on Report Lab PDF tutorial or reporting. So this is a very big tutorial. There are more than 50 or 60 tutorials, and it will definitely help you to understand the PDF reporting, PDF automation using Python. This is one of the signature trademark course from our channel. Okay, and we'll write text. So in the PDF file we'll write this thing, and after that we need to just save the file. So pdf.save. So our file will be saved in the name of whatsapp.pdf, and here we will write the attachment. How to access the attachment, that is the fun part. Okay, so now I'll show you how to do that. So this is for localhost and this is for file. So what does it mean? Let me show you guys. File means what? So if you write file here, you'll be able to access your directory. So our directory is users, inside that Ronnie, and inside that you need to find for Eclipse workspace, and inside that you need to find for WhatsApp. So if you go down, just go down, it will be there somewhere. Well, is the WhatsApp thing, I don't know. Let me write it like this. What is the directory? WhatsApp bot. Okay, so I will write it here directly, WATSAPPBOT. So it's here. So our file will be generated here. So let me generate the file first. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just generate the file. We'll check the file should be here or not. So let me close this thing and try to do this thing. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just try to send one message from here, hi, and definitely there should be one file with the name of whatsapp.pdf. Let's refresh this thing. See, we got one file, whatsapp.pdf. Okay, so if you open this thing, let me open this thing from here. See, you sent hi from this at this. Okay, it is generated, but we didn't get any response because we didn't do anything. In the media URL, it is missing. That URL is missing. Now I'll show you how to access this file. So it is here now. If we refresh this thing, you will get this file. See, whatsapp.pdf. So this is the file. You can access this thing from internet. Okay, so we have to take this thing here, and after that you have to come here. We have to write this thing, and this thing will be replaced by this URL, right? This is for this thing. So this is interesting. This is the magic of ngrok. Okay, you have to just keep like this. So now whenever you send something to this number, you will get an PDF file with this text message. Okay, or probably I can just do HTTP. Okay, so HTTP is there, HTTP is there, both is fine. Okay, so it is done. Why this is like this? Okay, and then return, we need to provide some sort of return. So I'm just thinking what could be the return. So return statement will be this one. Okay, because this is a kind of string we are going to return, and it will be written as a tagline or the caption of the file. So definitely it will be string. Oh sorry, what happened, what I did. Okay, so here it will be string. So I have discussed everything in the last tutorial, but again I'm doing this thing for give you guys some sort of understanding, or else it will be difficult for all of you to grab. So our actual message is this one, we need to return this thing. Okay, so this is going to like this. So now let's stop everything, let's run this thing. See, okay, and I did a mistake, I need to put this thing inside double quotes. So again I need to terminate, clear everything, then I have to run, then there should not be any error. So it is running fine. So now the fun part will begin. So let's go to our WhatsApp and write test. So I got some error, I'm not sure what is the error. It generated the file, response is not defined. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, sorry, I did a mistake. So it is going to be response text.media, I did a mistake, so that is why the error. So it's a typo, nothing much. So let's hide. See, the PDF file came. If you open this thing, open, see the name of the file, hi you send from this, and if you see here, this is the caption, and inside the file only you will get you send hi from this. Okay, okay, but close all tabs. Now I'll write something else like let's see whether it is able to print everything in not. Okay, and we'll write this thing and we'll see if something is coming or not. See, it is coming. Let's open. So it is downloaded, we need to just click the attachment you sent in the file. Okay, I'm not sure why the file is not opening. Let me check why the file is not opening. Yes, you sent this. So let's try once again. Okay, so now we'll write A B C D E F G H 1 2 3 4 and we'll send this thing. Actually it's the problem of the Chrome browser, nothing else. So let me click this thing. See, you send ABCDFG is like this. So this is very simple, guys. So in this way you can definitely create some sort of WhatsApp bot. So this is very unique. For example, you are booking some sort of taxi, you are booking some sort of like restaurant booking, or you are doing some movie booking, or you are doing some sort of customer service, or raising some sort of customer service request, and after the call immediately you see you are generating or you are getting some sort of invoice that your flight has been booked, or your travel has been booked, this is the itinerary or whatever. So for those automated bots, this sort of techniques are actually being adapted or being used. So now you understand that why I am doing this small segment of tutorial in a different part. So now we know how to respond to a text message using text. Now we know how to respond to a text message in WhatsApp using some sort of image. Now we know how to generate PDF file and respond automatically. So we are now covered. So from the next tutorial onwards, we will do some sort of hierarchical like automation, like question answer based thing. So which is the actual thing or actual motivation for our like course or objective. So all 3 tutorials are done. This is actually the basic building block of creating WhatsApp bot. From the tutorial 4 onwards, we'll be playing around some advanced techniques. Okay, so that's it guys, we'll see you in the next video. And before closing this video guys, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Or for all Udemy students guys, special thanks to all of you. I'll highly recommend you guys to go through the course content, go through the course snippet. If you're having any doubt, question, feedback, you can feel free to reach me out. I'll always there to help you. And if you want us to improve our quality in some areas also, you can definitely send the feedback. So that's it guys, and keep watching our videos, keep subscribing to our channel. If possible, try to share our videos with family and friend. It will definitely help us to reach larger audience. So that's it guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.